sound, one voice, one festival. One sound, one voice, one Ilocos Sur. Come and sing, dance and sing. Ngayon, Ilocos Sur. Makipag-isa. Intayon, Ilocos Sur. Makipag-isa. Come and dance in Ilocos Sur. The pride of our culture and tradition we treasure, where the past and the future collide. The celebration begins. Ngayon, Ilocos Sur. Makipag-isa. Intayon, Ilocos Sur. Makipag-isa. Come and dance in Ilocos Sur. Makipag-isa. Intayon, Ilocos Sur.
Festivals are indeed moments where culture comes alive, where communities gather to celebrate faith, heritage, and shared identity.
Of course, in Ilocos Sur, each festival is an open invitation, welcoming everyone to take part in joy, tradition, and unity.
Tonight, our candidates join this celebration, sharing in the rhythm, color, and spirit that define our province.
Through their smiles and stories, they reflect the pride of Ilocos Sur.
A province that celebrates together as one people.
Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to experience the joy of our festivals.
We begin the local festival costume competition with Alile. Alile is wearing Raksak Manalon by Marky Urbano.
RB Joy Lucero, Ali Alile.
This colorful costume celebrates the hardworking farmers of Alile, Ilocos Sur, featuring a Bornay centerpiece and two farmer backdress that honors their daily labor. Beaded in rich shades of red, green, and brown, the design reflects fertile land, resilience, and the deep connection between the farmers and the earth. The ensemble proudly represents Alilem's agricultural spirit, where tradition, strength, and unity continue to shape the community's identity. Ragsakti Manalon by Marky Urbano. Next we have Panayoyo. Maria de Panayoyo by Marky Urbano. A green Maria Clara inspired from banana tree is a sustainable, elegant, formal dress that typically features the distinctive butterfly's leaves and a flowing silhouette, embodying a blend of traditional Filipino heritage and modern eco-conscious design. Panayoyo's costume features their one town, one product, banana, showing creativity and artistry incorporated with poise and elegance.
Rosal Joyce Gacusana Garcia, 18, Binuyog, Banayoyo!
Next on stage, Bantay! Panagyaman by Ralphie C. Rich in religious symbolism and adorned with a fervent spirit of festivity, the Kaldingan Festival emerges as an embodiment of devotion and agricultural abundance, transcending the mundane to become a living narrative of nature's blessing. It stands as a vibrant testament to the town of Bantay, reflecting a profound and enduring connection between the earthly and the divine.
Geraldine Kylie Macalino del Castillo, Duras, Bantay!
Next on stage, Burgos. Gaget Ken Inspirasyon by Warren Dave Aguli. Inspired by Antitili, a well-known vendor of Burgos, this festival costume honors her everyday strength through elevated design, celebrating how a woman of labor carries passion and pride with burning power. Through a modern interpretation, it reflects how a woman like Antitili embodies grace, passion, and unwavering dedication while carrying her culture forward. Highlighting Burgos' product, the Balatinao and beloved Kakanin. The costume celebrates a heritage shaped by labor, love, and the enduring spirit of an Ilocana.
Dalinel Enriquez, Director. Duapulo kat Maysa, Ayos, Burgos.
Next on stage, Kapugao. Angel of Music by Marivic Saliganan. Descending like a celestial melody, the angel of music stands as a golden testament to the soul of the province. Draped in the sun-cured richness of native tobacco leaves, this gown breathes with the earthy aroma of the harvest, its shimmering textures echoing the golden fields where heritage and craftsmanship collide. Cradled in her arms is the angklung, a delicate bamboo choir that whispers the ancient rhythms of the land with every ethereal shake. As she moves, the resonant notes of the bamboo tubes weave through the air, transforming the rustle of tobacco into a living symphony of peace and tradition. She is the guardian of the province's song, a divine harmony of agricultural strength and the soft, haunting echoes of the essential past.
Jillian May Sabug Baklik, 19, Bagnos, Kabuga!
Next on stage, Canton City. Danyo Tikalamay by Marky Urbano. This colorful costume showcases a Tonette sari-sari store backdress brimming with intricately beaded kalamay, highlighting Canton's famous sweet delicacy. Vibrant hues bring life to the ensemble, reflecting the town's lively culture and the sweetness of its heritage. The costume celebrates the hardworking makers of kalamay, honoring their craft and the pride of Canton's local products.
Antoinette Alcaide Galvez, 20, from the city of Love and Care, Canton City!
Next on stage, Kawayan. Panagdalon by Rene Ian Atendido. This costume embodies the Ilocano spirit, exquisitely handcrafted with wood to honor ancestral skill and quiet resilience. Inspired by the carabao, it symbolizes the strength, patience, and hardworking soul of the people of Kawayan, Ilocos Sur. With refined details and earthy elegance, the design enchants while paying dignified tribute to a heritage shaped by labor, land, and unwavering perseverance.
Trixie de la Cruz, 24, Pardas, Kawayan!
Next on stage, Cervantes. Rosa ng Cervantes by Mark Leo Aguilar. This design represents the municipality of Cervantes, blending vibrant pink tones that reflect the town's identity with intricate patterns inspired by the upland culture. The gangsa hand props symbolize the rhythm, unity, and heritage, while the back dress featuring a golden carabao honors strength, resilience, and agricultural pride.
Singson Marinas Demokis, the best. Cervantes!
Next on stage, Galimuyod. Bunga Ti Panagbiag by Bellicute Gagarin. This Filipiniana gown, adorned with colorful beads, reflects the vibrant culture and artistic spirit of Galimuyod. The beaded crown headdress symbolizes dignity and the beauty of local craftsmanship worn with pride. Completing the look, the rice plant backdress honors Galimuyod's agricultural heritage, representing abundance, life, and the hardworking Ilocano farmers.
Cyril May Tropilo, 24. Guyod Galimuyod!
Next on stage, Gregorio del Pilar. Battle of Tirad Paz by Ethel Laya. This costume represents Gregorio del Pilar, Ilocos Sur, and is a creative interpretation of the town's rich cultural and historical identity. The structured headpiece and arm attachments, combined with the weight of the pots and feathers, represent the resilience, endurance of the community and paying homage to the bravery of the town's namesake, General Gregorio del Pilar, and the local ancestors. This mirrors the town's historical significance as the site of the Battle of Tirad Paz, where General del Pilar made his last stand.
Maika Di Bitongan, 20. Vuelo Gregorio del Pilar!
Next on stage, Lidlid Da. Etag Tilidlid Da by Marky Urbano. This Filipiniana costume is inspired by the rich food heritage of Lidlid Da, Ilocos Sur. Featuring a striking palayok backdress that symbolizes the traditional making of etag, beaded in bold shades of red, orange, black, and gold. The design reflects the fire, patience, and artistry behind this beloved preserved delicacy. The ensemble honors the strength of Ilocana tradition, where culture is carefully cooked, preserved, and proudly passed on through generations.
Lovely Joy Balading, 18. Naalipta, Lidlita!
Next on stage, Magsinggal. Woven Corn Husk Abundance by Josie Couture by Jocelyn. This costume is inspired by the corn husk, the one town, one product of the municipality of Magsingan, reimagined through the timeless elegance of a Maria Clara, a strong symbol of Filipino womanhood. Crafted with solihia lace, a Bel Iloco cloth, and intricate rhinestones, the design transforms natural textures into a refined statement of heritage, strength, and grace.
This is Ronalyn A. Valeza from the Agrimat Magsingan.
Next on stage, Nagbukel. Papaya nga naiduduma by Ari Molina. Miss Nagbukel is wearing a modern Filipiniana costume, accentuated with orange and gold elements that represent the bright and resilient people of Nagbukel. Her headdress carries the rich papaya production of the municipality.
Mary Rose Perillo, 18, Timpuyog, Nagbukel.
Next on stage, Narvacan. The iconic Bagnet Festival Queen by Jansen Seneca of Jan's Couture. A magnificent fusion of Narvacan's traditions. This striking ensemble represents both the iconic Bagnet Festival Queen and pays tribute to Narvacan's Naisangsangayan Festival. This costume, rich palettes of burnt orange, deep red, and gleaming bronze honors two pillars of local culture: the golden brown crispiness of Bagnet and the rich earth and bountiful harvest celebrated at Naisangsangayan. The voluminous upper details and cascading skirt mirrors the vibrant energy of street processions, while the elaborate golden headdress symbolizes prosperity with stylized elements echoing foliage and ceremonial traditions. Through masterful design, Narvacan Naisangsangayan.
Nathalie Salva Clarine, 20, Narvacan, Naisangsangayan.
Next on stage, Quirino. Ani ng Dangal by Rolly Solang. From Quirino, Ilocos Sur, she wears Ani ng Dangal, a tribute to the province's golden harvest and enduring heritage. Crowned with the farmer's sambali, woven with lapa artistry, and strengthened by the spirit of the Carabao, she reflects unity, resilience, and pride. In every grain of rice, she carries lives, the story of an Ilocano's courage and tradition.
Almira May Crisostomo, 22, ang amay ay Carine.
Next on stage, Salcedo. Cacao Elegance of Salcedo by Ricky Chang. This Cacao Festival costume from Salcedo, Ilocos Sur is a Filipiniana-style cocktail ensemble featuring a striking panel skirt crafted with rattan-woven pattern fabric, where each panel is uniquely designed with artistic cuts. The Filipiniana sleeves are richly adorned with wooden beads and molten design patterns, adding texture and depth to the silhouette. Completing the look are an oversized salakot headdress and a cacao hand prop, celebrating Salcedo's cacao heritage through bold craftsmanship and refined cultural expression.
Nicole de la Vega Paquin, 23, Banat, Salcedo.
Next on stage, San Emilio. Sam Ititape by Erie Molina. Miss San Emilio graces the stage in a harmonious fusion of modern design and traditional Ilocano attire, enriched with the cultural bahak. Her costume is a living tribute to San Emilio's abundant rice fields, the very heart of the municipality's life and livelihood. Every meticulously hand-sewn rice tassel symbolizes the resilience, unity, and timeless spirits of the San Emilio people, whose strength is rooted in the land they cultivate. Adorned with shimmering acrylic rhinestones and radiant golden crystals, the ensemble reflects prosperity, hope, and cultural pride. Inspired by the Tape Festival, the costume also honors Tape, San Emilio's cherished traditional rice wine, an emblem of celebration, heritage, and communal joy, just as Tape is patiently fermented through time and tradition.
Justin Hazel Pamela, Nakyang o San Emilio.
Next on stage, San Esteban. The Kabaybayan Festival by Plaridel Ridel Power Abad. Rising from the depths of the sea is the oceanic queen of Ray San Esteban, adorned with vibrant reef-inspired colors and a majestic white coral reef backdress. This festival costume pays tribute to the ocean's beauty and abundance, while honoring fishing as one of the town's enduring livelihoods, a celebration of unity, resilience, and cultural pride through the Kabaybayan Festival. This is Ray San Esteban.
Bernadette Tamayo Keller, 23, Ray, San Esteban!
Next on stage, San Ildefonso. Astringent of History by Randy Biten. Astringent of History is a tribute to the rich heritage of San Ildefonso, showcasing its one town, one product, Basi, the traditional sugarcane wine that symbolizes the town's livelihood and cultural identity. The costume draws inspiration from the Basi Revolt of 1807, reflecting the courage and resilience of the Ilocanos who fought against colonial control to protect their right to produce and trade their native wine. Through bold structures and earthy tones, it embodies a legacy of resilience, freedom, and pride distilled through generations.
Nagapusan Pavo, Alisto, Progreso, San Ildefonso.
Next on stage, Santa. Baybay Ken Panday by Rex Vitales and Douglas Bautista. Baybay Ken Panday symbolizes the industrious spirit, creativity, and craftsmanship of Santanians, inspired by Ipon Itzay Baybay and Panagpanday. It highlights Santa's one town, one product, the hand-forged polo, known for its strength, sharpness, and deep cultural heritage, reflecting a livelihood passed down through generations of skilled local artisans. The costume also pays tribute to the Ipon Festival of Santa Ilocos Sur, celebrating the town's identity as the Ipon capital and its rich coastal traditions.
Maria Victoria Alexandra Gabayne, 23, Paspas Santa!
Next on stage, Santa Catalina. Bahay Kubo by Jan Rialubin. Inspired by Santa Catalina's one town, one product, its abundant vegetables, this creative municipal costume takes the form of a Bahay Kubo, a symbol of simplicity, humility, and the authentic Ilocana home. On the outside, it reflects the modest life of a proud Santa Catalinian, rooted in tradition, hard work, and close ties to the land. Yet inside, this humble Bahay Kubo lies a vast and thriving harvest, showcasing Santa Catalina as the vegetable basket of the community. This costume tells a story of how from a simple home grows abundance, proving that Santa Catalina's true richness is found not in luxury, but in its fertile land, sustainable livelihood, and the proud Ilocana spirit that nurtures it.
Alive sa may Argente 20, Ascenso, Santa Catalina!
Next on stage, Santa Cruz. Golden Flavor of Santa Cruz by Ricky Cheng. This tuna empanada costume of Santa Cruz, Ilocos Sur is an Abel-based Filipiniana A-cut ensemble that celebrates local flavor and craftsmanship. The design is richly detailed with empanada elements, farmer miniatures, rattan woven patterns, molded glue stick accents, and woven beads, symbolizing the harmony of livelihood, culture, and cuisine. Completing the look are a boat-inspired headdress and a basket hand prop, proudly honoring Santa Cruz's coastal heritage and its iconic tuna empanada.
There's Chloe Ann Lopez, Forward March, Santa Cruz!
Next on stage, Santa Lucia. Reina Tiranya by Marky Urbano. This creative costume reflects its battle cry, Ranyag Santa Lucia. It aims to showcase her shine as she walks, wearing this creative Filipiniana masterpiece. The bead symbolizes mani, highlighting their one town, one product. This costume is a collision of class, elegance, and royalty.
Ella Jane Ale Torres, 19,
Ranyag, Santa Lucia.
Next on stage, Santa Maria. Motherly Love by Pangs Davao Doctolero. A flowing white and blue festival costume inspired by Mama Mary or Apo Baket, symbolizing purity, protection, and motherly love, with gold embroidery representing divine grace. Incorporated traditional elements such as hand-woven local fabrics, a radiant brown-inspired headdress, and subtle floral or rosary motifs to honor both faith and cultural heritage. The costume is beaded with diamonds, making it ideal for the August 15 celebration of devotion and thanksgiving.
Chanel Moyo, 20, move forward, nalipnos sa Santa Maria.
Next on stage, Santiago. Daloy ng Pamana. This fluvial festival costume features a Filipiniana-inspired silhouette, intricately accentuated with various wooden beads and kapits, flowing seamlessly from the bodies to the waist-down design. On both sides are traditional bamboo fish traps with cascading thatched grass at the back to symbolize river life and coastal livelihood. Crowning the ensemble is a two-layered salakot headdress topped with bamboo boat, honoring the deep connection between Filipino culture, water, and community traditions.
Ruth May Fontanilla, 25, go, 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 Santiago!
Next on stage, Santo Domingo. Golden Abundance of Squash by Josie Couture by Josie Ramolete. This costume is inspired by the squash, the one town, one product of the municipality of Santo Domingo, symbolizing abundance, sustainability, and agricultural pride. The design is crafted with flowing Iloco cloth and intricate rhinestones, with flowers of squash that transforms a humble harvest into an elegant, fashion-forward statement.
Jaira Francisco, 21, Alisto, Santo Domingo!
Next on stage, Sigay. Ilocana Coffee Enchantress by Ari Molina. Towering above her like a crown of industry, the mighty kettles pay homage to the hardworking spirit of Sigay. They symbolize the process of care, patience, and unity that turns humble harvests into treasures of flavor. From these vessels rises the pride of the municipality. Its world-class Robusta coffee, bold, rich and proudly Ilocano. With every step, she carries the aroma of perseverance and the legacy of a community brewed to excellence.
O Victor Suen, 19, Dinaranay, Sigay!
Next on stage, Sinai. Butil ng Bawang by Mark John E. Costales. The garlic costume is a symbolic representation of Sinai as the garlic center of the North, combining agriculture and faith in one elegant design. The gown is shaped like a garlic bulb with flowing white and cream layers resembling garlic skin, symbolizing abundance and the livelihood of Sinai's farmers. Surrounding the wearer are garlic garlands, representing prosperity and the bounty of the land. At the back, the image of Apo Santo Cristo Milagroso stands prominently, signifying that faith remains the foundation and guiding force of the community.
Norlin Joy Adaya from the Garlic Center of the North, Singisig
Next on stage, Sugpon. Ragsak Ti Ube by RJ Razo. This Filipiniana bamboo gown is elegantly beaded, showcasing the artistry and resilience of natural materials woven into Ilocano identity. The flowing ube halaya backdress represents Sugpon's cherished delicacy, symbolizing sweetness born from hard work and rich agricultural roots. Together, the costume celebrates heritage, creativity, and the pride of Sugpon's people in turning nature's gifts into cultural beauty.
Kimberly Rose Ann Repolona, sige, Sugpon, sige!
Next on stage, Suyo. Golden Harvest of the Highlands by Joric Limpag and Randy Biteng. Rising from the soil of tradition, this masterpiece transforms the humble kamote into high art. Its woven baskets, harvest textures, and earthy gold hues honoring the farmers, local delicacies like kamote chips, and the lifeblood of community livelihood. Every detail tells a story of resilience and abundance, proving that what grows beneath the ground can rise as a crown of culture, pride, and sustainable prosperity.
Riel Seyandawa, 18, Napintas, Suyo!
Next on stage, Tagudin. Ticanlu Festival Elegance by Erickson Molina of Eri Molina Couture. This Ticanlu, Tinubong Kangkanin, Lubi-Lubi Festival costume features a sleek pencil-cut Filipiniana adorned with wooden beads and acrylic layered designs on the skirt, celebrating both artistry and tradition, highlighting the town's one town, one product, calamansi, The costume merges local pride with festive elegance. The ensemble is completed with a Bahay Kubo-inspired backdress carrying 2 baskets on either side, overflowing with tinubo, kangkanen, and lubi-lubi, symbolizing abundance, culture, and community heritage.
Jeremias, Koloy Noy, 21. In God we trust, Tagorda!
Next on stage, Vegan City. Ranyang Tinamnama, Beam of Hope by Nixon Artajos Arenas. This masterful creation by Nixon Artajos Arenas draws its soul from Vegan City's Ranyang Festival, glowing in crimson and gold-like lantern-lit cobblestones and heritage homes. Intricate details and a regal headdress embody centuries of artistry, pride, and resilience. More than a costume, it is Ranyang itself. History aglow, cultural triumphant, and Vegan City shining for all the world to see. Viva Vegan!
Jannah Arganyosa Ramos, 22. Viva Vegan!
Talk about world class. Just speechless, everybody.
Just impressive and jaw-dropping. Grabe.
That's right. I totally agree, Angelica and Ansher. You know, speaking of world-class and impressive, with indisputable profiles are a select group of all-important and all-celebrity personalities. Ladies and gentlemen, our panel of judges.
Beginning with our Miss Ilocos Norte 2023, Lovely Demandante.
Please welcome Miss Tourism Philippines 2024 third runner-up, Charmaine Alilin.
Good evening, ma'am. Of course, we also have here the great man of the universe, Philippines 2023. Give it up for Stephen Harold Lily.
Joining our panel as well is our Mr. Friendship International Philippines Icon 2025. Give it up for Mr. Jericho de los Santos.
And to complete our board of judges, a legal practitioner and an advocate for women's rights and the chairman of the board, Attorney Lovely and Joy Silazo. We definitely have credible set of judges and of course would like to extend our recognition to the Honorable Governor Jeremias Jerry C. Singson. Thank you very much, Governor. The Honorable Vice Governor Ryan Luis V. Singson, MPA. We'd also like to acknowledge as well the members of the 12th Sangguniang Panlalawigan of the province of Ilocos Sur.
Beginning with Honorable Janina Carine S. Medina-Fariñas.
We also would like to thank Honorable Art Constantine Wandasan, MD.
We'd also like to thank Honorable Francisco Arturo O. Oranges III.
And we also have Honorable Erickson G. Singson, MD.
Recognizing as well Honorable Raymark A. Rafanan.
We also have Honorable Ismael Arbaterina.
Agya makamimet ka ni Honorable Benjamin N. Magay.
Of course, we also have Honorable Fayina Pilar Zaragoza Delgado.
Agyaman kami Apo Honorable Leopoldo G. Hironelio Jr.
And may we also acknowledge Honorable Jaime Jimboy M. Singson, MDE, EMBA.
Of course, maraming salamat din po, Honorable Constante Benzon.
Thank you very much as well, the Honorable Victor N. Singson.
And yes, Honorable Elpidio A. Quines Sr., maraming salamat po. And of course, we also acknowledge the leaders behind the successful planning and execution of the celebration. Executive Committee Chairperson and Provincial Administrator, Mr. Marlon F. Tagorda, MPM.
And let us not forget the Steering Committee Chairperson and the Executive Assistant to the Governor, Attorney Jannah Singson, MPM.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, Ansher and Angelica, guiding our panel of judges and the audiences tonight. Let us please present the criteria for judging. Beginning with beauty, poise, and personality, 30%.
Local costume at 15%.
Swimsuits, 15%.
Abel attire, casual, 10%.
Articulation at 20%.
And to complete, gown, 10% for a total of 100%.
Correct, and true everyone, that would really help. Those set of scores will help our judges determine who will advance for the final, especially during the coronation night.
That is right, and we couldn't wait for the next segment of the competition.
All right, now listen up, Ilocos Sur. It's the most anticipated part of the night, and it's time for the round where confidence meets, well, a little bit of sunscreen.
Our candidates will now then show off, of course, their hard work, discipline, and a little bit of their dietary methods. And it may be the perfect time to remind us that we've been skipping some leg day.
Oh my God. But of course, Angelica would also like to remind the audience, that this segment is not at all about comparison. This is about confidence, comfort in your own skin, and just carrying the courage to stand tall exactly as you are. Because tonight is more than the curves and walk. It's poise, presence, and owning every step on this stage.
Correct. Now everyone's allowed to cheer a little bit here. Please give all out your, of course, support, applause, and cheers. Give everybody. Now this time, ladies and gentlemen, it's the
Swimsuit Competition!
Cruz, Kawayan. Next on stage, Cervantes. Shin loves singing, watching movies and beauty pageants, cafe hopping, and reading books. Shinjen Damolkis. Cervantes. Next on stage, Galimuyor. Cyril loves reading books, nature walks, and listening to music. Cyril May Teofilo, Galimuyor. Next, we have Gregorio Del Pilar. Mika loves playing the guitar, taking photographs, and singing. Mika Bitongan, Gregorio Del Pilar. Next on stage, Lidlidda. Lovely loves playing badminton, painting, drawing, and watching K-dramas. Lovely Joy Balading, Lidlidda. Next we have Magsingal. Ronalyn loves songwriting and modeling. Ronalyn Valeza, Magsingal. Next we have Nagbuked. Mary Rose loves reading books, playing volleyball, and watching movies. Mary Rose Perillo, Nagbuked. Next we have Narvacan. Natalie loves reading novels, playing badminton, and doing makeup. Natalie Carine, Narvacan. Next on stage, Quirino. Almira loves dancing, singing, and playing the guitar. Almira May Crisostomo, Quirino. Next we have Salcedo. Nicole loves reading law books, watching law series, and exploring nature. Into powerful pursuits, focus on depth application and integration for personal growth, critical thinking, and real-world impact. Nicole Paki, Salcedo. Next, we have San Emilio. Justine loves reading, off-roading, and camping. Justin Hazel Pambalan, San Emilio. Next on stage, San Esteban. As a flight attendant, Bernadette loves traveling and connecting with people. During pastime, she enjoys singing, and she is also a foodie who loves trying out new food. Bernadette Keller, San Esteban. Next, we have San Ildefonso. Trina loves watching anime, swimming, and badminton. Trina Pavo, San Ildefonso. Next, we have Santa. Maria Victoria loves hosting and making people feel at home. She also loves traveling and modeling. Maria Victoria Alexandra Gabayne, Santa. Next on stage, Santa Catalina. Eliza loves playing volleyball, designing dresses, watching true crime documentaries. Eliza May Ardiente, Santa Catalina. Next we have Santa Cruz. J-Rove loves traveling and reading. J-Rove, Chloe Ann Lopez, Santa Cruz. Ruth loves vlogging. Watching war movies and watching K-drama. Ombre Kitorsuen, Sigay. Next on stage, Sinai. Norilyn loves reading and collecting books, public speaking, and humanitarian and community service works. Laurelyn Joy Adaya, Sinai. Next we have Sugbon. Kimberly loves volleyball, pageantry, and books. Kimberly Rose Ann Repolona, Sugbon. Next on stage, Suyo. Brielle loves debates, cooking, and vlogging. Brielle Cheyenne Dawa, Suyo. Next we have Tagorda.
Our 32 stunning candidates in the swimsuit round of the competition. Grabe, I can feel the sizzling stage.
Wow, Angelica
This
and Ansher.
evening.
You know, if confidence were a wave, we have just witnessed a tsunami. Ladies and gentlemen, that wasn't just a swimwear competition. That was discipline and confidence in motion.
Kaya nga naman, well, for this part of the competition, we provide an avenue where style meets tradition this time. At kanina naman, oozing with so much confidence, but we'll make it more stylish this time.
Of course, Ansher.
And I'm super excited for the next segment of the competition because this section or this part of the competition will truly showcase not only, of course, the candidates, but of course, we'll get to know more of how they will showcase and represent themselves in sharing their thoughts and ideas.
Right, and so ladies and gentlemen, let's do away with the thinking I couldn't ever pull this off because you know, tonight says otherwise. Tonight says I am an Ilocana, I'm rooted in culture, and I wear it confidently and beautifully.
Correct. Super amazing indeed. Casual, it's chic, it's very Ilocos Sur. Friends, it's the
Abel Iloco Casual Attire Competition.
Next on stage, Burgos. Nalabaga by Warren Dave Aguli. This casual wear is crafted from 100% Abel fabric, the original textile of the heritage province of Ilocos Sur, proudly woven in a striking red or nalabaga in Iloco. It symbolizes fire that burns in every Burgonian's heart, the passion, resilience, and unyielding pride. As we vie for Burgos' first ever semi-final appearance in Miss Ilocos Sur, this piece stands as a bold statement of hope, history, and burning determination. Next on stage, Kabugao. The Hafu by Marivic Saliganan. The Hafu, a thread across oceans ensemble, stands as a breathtaking bridge between heritages, weaving the rhythmic soul of the Philippines with the minimalist elegance of Japan. Handloomed from 100% Abel Santiago, the fabric carries the ancestral heartbeat of Ilocos into the structured silhouettes of a modern kimono. A cinched bodice belt anchors this fusion, harmonizing the soft drape of the islands with the disciplined grace of the East. Next on stage, Canton City. Butterfly in a Bed by Marky Urbano. The butterfly inspired by the grace of a butterfly. This design features a harmonious blend of powder blue and royal blue wasig inabel. The addition of black binetuagan accents provides a bold contrast, mirroring the intricate patterns and natural beauty of butterfly wings. Next we have Kawayan. Next, we have Santa. Moda Iloca by Rex Vitales. This Abel casual wear is made of Abel Santa. This comprises a fashionable trench coat with the wine collar in baby pink, Abel Iloco, and with inner sexy tube top in olive green and a palazzo pant in purple and a big hat, all with diamond pattern Abel Santa. This Abel casual wear showcases a modern Ilocana, ready to conquer globally and make significant contributions to Ilocano culture, arts, and other fields and aspects. Next on stage, Santa Catalina. Ragsak ti Santa Catalina by Jan Realubin. Woven from pure Abel Iloco in a blend of vibrant colors, this casual wear reflects the joyful and festive spirits of the municipality of Santa Catalina. Each hue symbolizes the town's lively celebrations, rich culture, and the warmth of its people. Simple yet proud, the design honors local craftsmanship while showcasing Santa Catalina's cultural identity. Next on stage, Santa Cruz. Cocktail Abel by Ricky Chen. This cocktail ensemble artfully blends Kawayan Abel fabric with Santiago Abel fabric, creating a rich fusion of Ilocano weaving traditions. Designed with an elegant off-shoulder top, the piece highlights texture, movement, and refined craftsmanship. The silhouette represents a modern yet cultural statement, celebrating Abel heritage through a stylish and contemporary cocktail design. Next on stage, Santa Lucia. Modern rap chic. RJ Razo. The Abel casual attire shown is a vibrant yellow outfit consisting of a matching yellow pants set with flared legs and a peach-colored large bow hair accessory placed on top, giving the look a stylish, coordinated casual vibe. The fabric appears shiny and smooth, suggesting and Enrico Bitong. Inspired by Suyo's bird-watching haven at Mount Tapao and Suyo Eco Mountain Resort, the white and red abel hand-woven by the Bago tribe symbolize nature, ancestral guidance, and resilience. The white section features subtle bird-inspired patterns that stand out boldly, while the red adds vibrancy and energy. This piece celebrates culture and the seamless blend of tradition and modernity. Next on stage, Tagorda. Modern Elegance in Vegan Abel by Erickson Molina of Ere Molina Couture. This casual ensemble features the rich vegan Abel fabric, showcasing traditional Ilocano weaving in a modern everyday style. The off-shoulder top adds a touch of elegance and contemporary flair, perfectly paired with comfortable matching pants. The outfit combines heritage craftsmanship with relaxed sophistication, making it a stylish tribute to vegan's timeless textile tradition. Next, we have Vegan City, La Belleza Vegania by Trisha Luigi Tadeo. The dress blends beautifully with the image of a modern Ilocana beauty. The look feels both rooted and refined, honoring heritage through pattern and color, yet embracing today's sleek, fashion-forward tradition. Its bold red and purple geometric weave echoes the rich patterns often seen in traditional Ilocano textiles, giving it a subtle cultural touch while still looking contemporary. The strapless fitted silhouette highlights a confident modern style, while the large bow at the back adds a soft feminine charm.